Hello, welcome to Urdu accent and pronunciation course. I am Tariq Aziz and today I'm going to teach you name, how to pronounce name in Urdu. Let's get started. Naam, how to say in Urdu? Naam, naam, naam. Okay, there are three alphabets in this word: noon, alif, meme. If you don't know how to pronounce Urdu alphabets, please check my previous videos. I have already taught you Urdu alphabets and you have to learn. Before watching this video, you must learn Urdu alphabets because it is very necessary to learn speak like a native speaker. So first alphabet noon, second alphabet alif, and third alphabet meme. First two alphabets, when we join two alphabets noon, alif, so it becomes na, 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 na. So, and then when we add the last one, it become naam, naam. Don't say like that, naam. Don't do this, okay? Just slow, naam, naam. Repeat after me, naam, 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 naam. I hope you have learned this word, and in my next video I will read the whole sentence. Okay, so thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please share this with your friends. Allah Hafiz, take care.